If you employ staff in the United Arab Emirates, here is how end-of-service gratuity is calculated, and the key difference from some of its neighbours. Under Federal Decree Law 33 of 2021, a full-time employee with at least 1 year of service earns 21 days of basic pay for each of the first 5 years, then 30 days of basic pay for every year after that. What the figure is based on really matters. In the UAE, gratuity is calculated on the basic salary only. It excludes housing, transport, and other allowances. This is the opposite of Saudi Arabia, where housing is included, so do not carry the Saudi method across the border. Using total salary by mistake significantly overstates the UAE liability. Take an employee on 10,000 dirhams basic after 7 years. The first 5 years give 21 days each, that is 105 days. The next 2 years give 30 days each, that is 60 days. 165 days in total. Divide the monthly basic by 30 to get the daily rate, then multiply, and you get roughly 55,000 dirhams. A few rules catch employers out. There is no gratuity below 1 year of service, but once past a year, part years are paid pro rata. The same formula now applies to both limited and unlimited contracts since the 2021 reform. The total is capped at 2 years of wages, and everything owed must be paid within 14 days of the contract ending. Like most end-of-service schemes, this builds from the first year and grows with tenure, so it is a liability you carry the entire time someone is employed. If you hire in the UAE through an employer of record, the provider accrues and settles this for you. Aspiroc runs UAE payroll from its Dubai office. The full hiring guide is linked below.